The mammal of the League of Nations, the port city of the mammal and the surrounding areas with the predominantly German population was under provision Italian control. According to Article 99 of the Treaty of Versailles, the French and Polish government favored turning Memel into an international city while the Louisiana wanted to annex the area. By 1923, the fate of the area had still not been decided, prompting Louisiana force to invade in January 1923 and seize the port after the Allies failed to reach an agreement with the Louisiana. Their effort to matter the League of Nations. In December 1923, the League Council appointed a commission of the inquiry. The commission chose to decade Memel in Louisiana and give in the area autonomous rights. The Kyle Convention was approved by the League Council on 14 March 1924 and then by the Allied powers and Louisiana in 1939. Germany took it to the region following the rise of the Nazis and an ultimatum to Louisiana demanding the return of the region under the threat of the war. The League of the Nations failed to prevent the succession of the Memel region into Germany. Haiti, with the League oversight, the Sanjay Alexandria in the French mandate of this area was given autonomy in 1937, renamed Haiti. Its parliament declared independence as the Republic of Haiti in September 1938. After the election the previous month, it was annexed by the Turkey with the French consent in mid-1939. Mosul, the League resolved a dispute between the Kingdom of Iraq and the Republic of Turkey over control of the former Ottoman province of the Mosul in the 1926, according to the British, who had been awarded a League of Nations mandate over Iraq in 1920. Therefore, they represented Iraq in the foreign affairs. Mosul belongs to Iraq. On the other hand, the new Turkish Republic claimed the province as part of its historic heartland. A League of Nations Commission of Inquiry with the Belgian, Hungarian and Swedish member was sent to the region in the 1924. It found that the people of the Mosul did not want to be part of either Turkey or Iraq, but if they had to choose, they would pick Iraq. In 1925, the Commission recommended that the region stay part of the Iraq under the condition that the British hold the mandate over Iraq for another 25 years. To ensure the autonomous right of the Kurdish population, the League Council adopted the recommendation and decided on 16 December 1925 to award Mosul to Iraq, although Turkey had accepted the League of Nations arbitration in the Treaty of Lausanne. It rejected the decision, questioning the Council authority. The matter was referred to the Permanent Court of International Justice, which ruled that when the Council made a unanimous decision, it must be accepted. Nonetheless, Britain, Iraq, and Turkey ratified a separate treaty on 5 June 1926 that mostly followed the decision of the League Council and also assigned Mosul to Iraq. It was agreed that Iraq could still apply for League membership within 25 years and that the mandate would end upon its admission. Vilnius. After the First World War, the Poland and Lithuania both regained their independence, but soon became the immense in territorial dispute during the Polish Civil War. Soviet War. Lithuania signed the Moscow War Peace Treaty with the Soviet Union that laid out Lithuanian frontier. The agreement gave Lithuanian control of the city of the Vilnius, the old Lithuania capital, but a city with the majority of Polish population. This heightened tension between the Lithuania and the Poland led to the fear that they would resume the Polish-Lithuanian War, and on 7 October 1920 the League negotiated the Suwałki Agreement, established a ceasefire and declared the demarcation line between the two nations. On 9 October 1920, St. General Louis-Jean Zalewski commanded a Polish military force in the contravention of the Suwałki Agreement, took the city of the establishment, the Republic of the Central Lithuania. After a request for the assistance from the Lithuania, the Legal Council called the Poland withdrawal from the area. The Polish government indicated that they would aim completely, but insisted in reinforce the city with the more Polish troops. This promoted the League to decide that the future of the Vilnius should be determined by its residents in a plebiscite, then that the Polish forces should withdraw and be replaced by an international force organized by the League. The plan was met with the resistance in Poland, Lithuania and the Soviet Union, which opposed any international force in Lithuania. In March 1920, the League abandoned plans for the plebiscite after the unsuccessful proposal by the Paul Hemans to create a federation between the Poland and Lithuania, which was intended as an reincarnation of the former Union, which both Poland and Lithuania had once shared before losing its independence. Vilnius and the surrounding areas was formally annexed by the Poland in March 2022 after Lithuania took over the Klaipeda region. The Allied conference at the frontier between the Lithuania and Poland, leaving Vilnius within Poland on 14 March 1923. Lithuanian authorities refused to accept the decision and officially remained in a state of war with the Poland until 1927. It was not until the 1938 Polish ultimatum that the Lithuania restored diplomatic relations with the Poland and thus de facto accepted the border.